Have a good day, all of you. Today's lecture is on need of environmental conservation. In a previous video, we have discussed how the artificial environment and some problem related with natural environment has made a trouble to the environment, and due to which the biotic system is being in danger. Means the living organisms are not okay to be survive in such system. So that were the reason, and due to which we have to focus on the need of environmental conservation. Okay, now in this topic we are going to discuss that for environmental conservation what we should do or what is the need. That is, general public is not aware about the rules of environmental conservation. They don't know how to conserve the environment. So there should be a large scale participation of the people in the environment conservation, so that we have to make them aware that what they can do to conserve the environment, and for that large number of people or participants should involve in this movement. And it will be possible to answer the environmental problem only if environmental protection conservation become an effective public movement. Means whenever the public does not feel that it is a need, at that point we won't be able to conserve the environment. So the environment protection, or for making it effective, we require a effective public movement. And for this purpose, how we can encourage them? For this purpose, the values like positive attitude and affection towards the environment, knowledge about it, etc., should be included among the children since their childhood. You can see that we are celebrating Green Day, Plant Day, or we are gifting some plants to the chief guest in front of you. That is the purpose, that you should have some affection towards the environment. Definitely the plant grown by you is made to make it grow, or you should take care of it, is been taught in school, and this all is due to the making your connection near to the environment. So it should be there from the childhood. This will help to make the future generation more aware about the environmental conservation and protection. And so as to achieve this, it is necessary to increase the awareness through education. Okay, education should also include the syllabus related with the environmental conservation, as we are doing. That one chapter is there related to environmental conservation, so that we can understand what are the drawbacks of this pollutant or developing India. Today all the developing and underdeveloped countries have accept the responsibility of environmental protection, and their efforts are in that direction, and they have defined the future plan about environmental protection and have constitutes the necessary laws are being created for preservation of environment. Few laws are given in your textbooks also. Okay, these laws are: first law was introduced in 1972, that is United National Environmental Program, which is been established in conference arranged on human and environment, in which environmental problems were discussed. Afterward, in India, a separate environmental department has been established through discussion on environmental problems. The Ministry of Environment and the Forest is involved in planning, including and increasing awareness about environmental and forest through various programs since 1985. From this year, we are involved in various laws or program related with environmental conservation along with the human beings.